Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Snapchat camera not working on Android and iPhone. This video works for both, so stick with me till the end. First of all, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works or loads. If it still does not load, what you're gonna do is go to your settings app and then search for Snapchat and see if you have given access to camera. If you still have not given access, then turn this button on and then it must work. If it still does not work, go to your settings and then open privacy and security and then scroll down for camera and see if you have given the access to camera for Snapchat. If you have, then it should work, and if you still haven't, then just turn it on. And simply this is how you guys can make your camera work on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you hit that like button and then subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down on my video. Subscribe for more quick fixes.